Check out our 98 through 02 Camaro LED Morimoto fog lights. Here we are installing them on a customer's car. Got one side done here. You can see that the passenger side is a yellow dingy color and the driver's side is a bright white. These Camaro fog lights replace your housing and bulbs of your current setup. They are a huge improvement in nighttime visibility with no glare. Check out that brightness. That is just with one fog light hooked up. These complete fog light housings swap directly in place of the original halogens. Alright, check it out. So much better. These have great light output. You almost don't even need your headlights. We also designed these brackets for easier install and better alignment. Drop any questions or comments below or just show the video some love. We carry several different products for 67 and newer Camaros and Firebirds. Be sure to check out this product and more on our website at screaminchicken.com. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.